about cleaning your AirPods? Well, I have a solution to cleaning this with the materials of only a Q-tip and rubbing alcohol. So first, you use the rubbing alcohol and you grab a cotton thing and you just take a dab of some rubbing alcohol and then clean the areas where it needs to be cleaned. Like you see all that dirt around there, you rubbing alcohol. Most of the excess dirt should come off. Just give it a little strong scrub. Most of the dirt should fall off. Now for the inside of the AirPods, you got the Q-tip. And then you got the rubbing alcohol and you use the tip of the Q-tip to do the same thing. Remove the AirPods so that you don't mess it up or anything. Now you just use the Q-tip and then scrub the areas that need to be cleaned. Should take 1 to 2 minutes of cleaning, not too long. Stay tuned for the next videos.